Today, we're tackling a super frustrating issue that plagues a lot of Samsung TV owners, the dreaded black screen. It's one of those problems that can really ruin your day. You know the drill, you hit the power button expecting your favorite show or movie, but all you get is nothingness. It's like the TV is mocking you, right? But don't worry, we've got your back. We're here to help you navigate through this annoying issue. We're gonna walk through some simple troubleshooting steps to get you back up and running in no time. From checking your connections to resetting your TV, we've got all the bases covered. So grab your remote, sit back, and let's dive into it. Alright, let's start with the basics. First up, we're gonna do a good old-fashioned power cycle. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Wait for about 30 seconds to let it reset. Plug it back in securely. Now, grab your remote and try turning on your TV. If the Samsung logo appears, congrats. If not, don't sweat it. We've got more tricks up our sleeve. Okay, so the power cycle didn't quite do the trick. Don't worry, this is a common issue and there are a few more steps we can take to troubleshoot your Samsung TV. Let's move on to step 2, checking your connections. Sometimes the problem lies in a loose or improperly connected cable. Ensure HDMI cables are properly plugged into both your TV and device. A loose HDMI connection can often be the reason for display issues or no signal. Double-check the power cord is secure. A loose power cord can cause intermittent power issues or prevent the TV from turning on altogether. Check other cables like USB, Ethernet, or optical audio. These connections can also affect the performance of your TV, especially if you're using smart features or external devices. Once everything is secure, try turning on your TV again. Make sure to use the remote or the power button on the TV itself. If a loose cable was the culprit, you'll be back in business. Enjoy your favorite shows and movies without any further interruptions. If not, don't despair. We've got one more method to try. Stay tuned for the next step in our troubleshooting guide. Chapter 3, Factory Reset, the nuclear option. This is the ultimate step when all other troubleshooting methods have failed. Time to bring out the big guns, a factory reset. This process will revert your TV back to its original factory settings, erasing all your custom configurations. This should be your last resort, as it wipes your TV's settings clean. All your saved preferences, apps, and network settings will be lost. Navigate to the settings menu using your remote. This is where you'll find the options to reset your TV. Look for support or self-diagnosis, then find reset or factory reset. These options are usually located under the general or support tab. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the reset. You may need to enter a PIN code, which is often set to 0000 by default. Once done, your TV will restart and you'll go through the initial setup again. This includes setting up your Wi-Fi, logging into your apps, and adjusting your picture settings. Hopefully, your black screen woes will be a thing of the past. A factory reset can often resolve persistent issues, giving your TV a fresh start.